Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to rub salt in anyone's wounds or anything like that, but pretty rough day, gap down. However, to be fair, and the one sign of bullishness is, and if you've been around long enough, you'd appreciate this fact a little bit more. But if you have been, trading the markets long enough, I'm sure you've seen stocks where they gap down, but then even after the gap down, the stock does one of these numbers where it just continues to drift down and down and down. That was not here. That was not the case here today. So, to give the bull some credit, then yeah, I mean, they did show some signs of strength in the sense of not letting the price just continue to bleed and slowly drift downwards throughout the course of the entire day. So with that, let's map out a couple levels of support. First level of support is the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what's going to make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can continue to hold above $6, that would be the best case scenario. You can see this afternoon on numerous occasions, the bears try to press down through $6, but each and every time the bull said, no, that's not going to happen. So $6, that ideal level, meaning that would certainly make the chart look the best if it can hold above there. But the must-hold level is down here at $5.65 for a pretty kind of common sense reason. If that level doesn't hold, well, then that just implies that the price is putting in all new lows, right? So not trying to install anyone's intelligence there, but that's why that is the must-hold level, because if this is indeed some sort of bottom, well, then you want to see it continue to act as a bottom, and the price going to new lows is obviously not acting as a bottom. So those are going to be the two levels of support. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this price starts to bounce, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance that's got quite a bit of price congestion right around it is give or take right around the $6.50 mark. Like I said, in terms of price congestion, it's not exact, but I think we can all agree a lot of points of price right around that area. So $6.50 is going to be that initial level, and then after that, keep an eye on the purple line right here. That is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. I fully realize right now that seems kind of irrelevant given it's way up there, but as time goes by, it'll move its way downwards and get more and more relevant. So keep an eye on those couple levels of resistance. All in all, though, a whole lot of volume in this one, some good volatility. So it'll be interesting to see how this one unfolds tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.